Welcome to AweSam videos. My name is Saravanan Nagaraj. This is a travel video series. So I'm in Miami. I'm in the South Beach right now in Miami Beach Island. We're gonna get into the beach now and we're gonna see how it looks. So this is Miami Beach, South Beach. So you see a lot of people here, but usually, a lot of people is not really a lot of people. If you compare with the previous years, you wouldn't be able to walk so much because so many people will be there. Now, because of the COVID, people have to maintain the distance and whatnot. So that's why they have, there are less people here. And people who come here actually rent chairs and umbrella and everything. They pay about $20, $30. And there are people who come here in the morning and they spend till the evening. There is a cruise ship. So all the international cruise ship which comes to Miami or any international destination, they usually come to this, places like this, and they stop it there and they use the smaller boats to take the people in. They spend maybe half a day or a day and they actually go back. That's how I've seen in Thailand or Indonesia and places like that. So that's what is happening here also. There are a lot of activities that you can see, like parasailing, jet ski, and paddle boat, and so on. Yeah, there are wonderful Airbnb apartments and hotels out there. So you can actually rent a hotel here. So you come in, it's just a walk, maybe 500 meters a walk, so you can be on the beach. So a lot of people do that during the winter. They rent it. There are people who actually take it, even though they're gonna stay for a month or 2 or 3 months. They actually take it to year round, so that it is cheaper that way. So they do that. I always thought of that. It's actually, if I were to have another place, that would be Miami. So how much is it going to be to stay here? If you ask me that, you can actually stay from $80 to $100, the minimum. But it could actually get expensive, really, really expensive. Depends on when you're actually coming. Today is 16th of December. Because of the COVID, the pricing is okay. If you come in any other year, it's going to be expensive. And booking it way before you actually make it here is obviously necessary. You can go up to $1,000, $2,000, and $3,000. It depends on how much you want to actually spend. But yeah, a decent hotel will actually cost you about $150 to $200. So that was the South Beach for you. And now we're gonna go to Ocean Drive. It's a wonderful boardwalk. So we're gonna experience that. We're gonna see what kind of restaurants they have, and we're gonna do a bit of a people watch. That's what next video is going to be. We're also doing a video about different places in Miami and must visit places and whatnot. So subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up if you like this video.